We're going to do the problems that go with this diagram, which are questions 1 through 3. It says name a point that is collinear with D. The most common mistakes with this question were that people put T sometimes. T is not a point, there's not a dot there. So T is naming that plane. The point that is collinear, meaning on the same line, is point E. When you write point E, you have to write it with a capital letter. You can either write it just an E that's capital, or you could write the word point and a capital letter E. If it was lowercase, it's not correct. The second one said name a line that is on plane S. Plane S is in this corner. This is plane S. Okay, some people were naming DE. DE is not on plane S. DE is on the plane that is going this other direction. It's on the plane that's going like this. Okay, so the only line that's on plane S is BC. When you name line BC, you use 2 capital letters, and you have to put 2 arrowheads on the ends of the bar that goes on top. You could have also written CB, but the letters had to be capital. There's no comma that goes between the letters. That was another error a lot of people made. You don't put commas there. The next one, name a segment in the diagram. A segment stops at any 2 points. Okay, so you can pick any 2 points that are on a line. So like DE would work. And you put a bar on top. The bar on top cannot have arrowheads because it's a segment. A segment stops, so there's no arrowheads. The letters have to be capital and there's no comma between them. Another possibility would have been BC, or you could have reversed these letters and had ED or CB. Those were the only ones that would have worked for this particular diagram.